Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to import clips into Adobe Premiere Pro, how to review them, and then how to add them to your timeline. The best way to start is I usually import clips by double-clicking in the media section. Right here, I select the clip that I want and hit open, and then you'll see the video come into this area here. Now you can double click on this clip and it will now appear up here in the preview window. So what you can do is hit the play button and it'll play through the video so that you can have a look at it. You can also click and hold on this arrow and drag it back and forth, and you can kind of get through the video a little bit faster. And the good thing about this is it allows you to select the parts of the video that you actually want and leave out the parts that you don't want before adding it down here to your timeline. So for example, if I'm playing through and I see this part where the gorilla holds the carrot up. Well, let's suppose I only want that part of the video. I can hit this little in button right here. You can see it says mark in. And what will happen is this part will turn gray. And then I can move the indicator over until I get to the part where I want the clip to end. We can pick right here just for this example. And then you'll see the other one here is mark out, so I can mark out. Now what has happened is it's selected this part of the video here, just the part that I actually want. And then you have a couple options before dragging it to your timeline. Now if I want to drag the entire video and the audio, I can simply click and hold here, and you'll see it turns into a little clenched fist and drag it down to my timeline. And then you see that the video and the audio have been moved down to the timeline and have been added to my sequence. Now let's take that out for a second. Let's suppose I only want the video and not the audio. Then I can click and grab the little film icon and just drag that down to the timeline. And now you'll see that it only dragged the video. And just the same, if I only want the audio, I can click and grab this little audio icon and drag that down to my timeline. And now you can see that it only added the audio to my timeline. You can have multiple clips in here and then preview and go through your clips all in the same manner. And it just makes your project easier to work with once you get all of your clips added in here to your timeline, because then you only have the parts you want and there's a lot less cutting involved. So now if we hit the play button on our timeline, you'll see that it only added the part where the gorilla's eating the carrot, and it ends in the exact spot that I wanted it to. And that's how you go through clips and add them to your timeline. I hope you've learned something from watching this video. If so, please hit the like button or leave a comment. That really helps me out and it helps me get exposure in the YouTube algorithm. Also, please subscribe because there will be more videos like this going forward. Thanks and have a great day.